In this quick video, I am going to show you how to delete one photo from Instagram multiple posts. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers. Let's say you have shared a post with several pictures and later on you decide one of them doesn't fit or you are not happy with it. No worries, you can remove it without deleting the entire post. Firstly, open the Instagram app and then tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Once you tap on it, scroll down here and you will see all of the posts you uploaded on your Instagram profile. So I have this post, I need to select it. Once you select it, you can see multiple pictures are here, 4 photos are here. So I want to delete one of them. For that, tap on the 3 dots on the top of your post. So we need to tap on it and then from here click on edit. And now scroll through your images and select the picture which you want to delete. So I have this picture from this post. We'll see this trash can icon on the bottom left corner of our picture. So we just need to tap on it. After that, it will give you this pop-up where it will show you that you can restore your image within 30 days of deletion. So in case you want to restore your image after deletion, you can follow this process and you can restore your image. I want to delete it. For that, we just need to tap on delete. After that, we need to save our changes by tapping on this checkmark icon, and after that our changes will be made. And there you go, you can see only 3 pictures are remaining on my post. Previously it was 4. So this is the process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.